In the vast realm of scientific mysteries, few phenomena are as intriguing and spiritually resonant as the Schumann resonance. Discovered by physicist Winfried Otto Schumann in 1952, this natural electromagnetic frequency is generated by lightning discharges within the cavity formed by the Earth's surface and the ionosphere. Its fundamental frequency, a steady 7.83 Hz, resonates like the heartbeat of our planet, harmonizing perfectly with human brainwaves. But what is this enigmatic resonance, and why does it matter to us? The Schumann resonance lies at the intersection of science and spirituality. This frequency aligns remarkably with the alpha waves of the human brain, which are associated with states of relaxation, creativity, and meditation. This synchronization raises profound questions about our connection to the Earth's natural rhythms and our well-being. Enter Dr. Robert Beck, a pioneering researcher who delved deep into this mystery. Throughout the 1970s and 80s, Beck embarked on an extraordinary journey, studying the brainwave activity of healers from diverse cultures. He traveled across continents, meeting with renowned healers, psychics, shamans, and dowsers, documenting their practices and brainwave patterns. In India, Beck observed the ancient practices of yogis and spiritual healers. These individuals, through years of meditation and discipline, demonstrated brainwave patterns that resonated closely with the Schumann frequency. Their ability to enter deep states of consciousness was not only a spiritual experience, but also a physiological alignment with the Earth's rhythms. In the remote regions of Africa, Beck studied the tribal shamans who were known for their healing rituals and deep connection to the natural world. These shamans, often in altered states of consciousness, exhibited brain waves that synchronized with the Earth's electromagnetic field. Their healing practices, passed down through generations, seemed to tap into a universal frequency that transcended cultural boundaries. Beck's journey also took him to South America, where he encountered the indigenous healers of the Amazon rainforest. These healers, using plants and traditional rituals, achieved states of consciousness that mirrored the Schumann resonance. This consistency across diverse cultures and practices was a testament to the universal nature of this phenomenon. Beck's findings were nothing short of groundbreaking. He discovered that healers, regardless of their cultural background or specific methods, entered an altered state of consciousness, characterized by brainwave patterns averaging around 7.8 to 8 Hz. This phenomenon, known as brainwave entrainment, suggested a profound alignment with the Earth's natural electromagnetic field. The implications of Beck's research extend beyond mere curiosity. The concept of brainwave entrainment, where human brainwaves synchronize with external rhythms, opens the door to understanding how our physiological and psychological states can be influenced by the Earth's frequencies. This alignment is not just a scientific anomaly, but a potential gateway to enhanced states of consciousness and well-being. Consider the evidence Beck gathered from his studies. Healers reported entering deep meditative states, achieving remarkable feats of healing, and experiencing heightened awareness and spiritual insight. These testimonies point to a mysterious and profound connection between human consciousness and the Earth's natural rhythms. Modern science and technology are beginning to catch up with these ancient practices. Today, brainwave entrainment is used in various therapeutic applications, from enhancing meditation and stress relief to improving cognitive function and emotional well-being. By aligning ourselves with the Schumann resonance, we might tap into a natural source of harmony and balance. But the mystery doesn't end there. The Schumann resonance also poses intriguing questions about the nature of our existence and our relationship with the Earth. How deeply are we connected to the planet's electromagnetic field? Can aligning with these natural frequencies unlock hidden potentials within us? As we continue to explore these questions, the Schumann resonance remains a symbol of the intricate and mysterious bond between humanity and the Earth. It invites us to consider the spiritual dimensions of our existence and the profound impact of the planet's rhythms on our consciousness. Have you ever experienced the feeling of alignment with the Earth's natural rhythms? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this episode intriguing, please like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most mysterious topics.